Welcome to my channel VISION-ATMOS. For latest tech updates and deals, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today I came with an extreme performer Redmi K50i unboxing, so let's unbox it. Here it how the Redmi K50i 5G box looks, and it's all about the branding on the other side. The 6GB base variant actual price on box is 31,999 and selling for 25,999. Links provided in the description. It comes with the flagship MediaTek Dimensity 8100 with Dolby Vision and Atmos. Comes with 67 watts turbocharger, 144 Hz refresh rate, 64 megapixel triple camera and 16 megapixel selfie camera with LiquidCool technology. Let's open and check what's inside the box. Here we have the SIM eject tool, the user guide, and you can see the clear soft case. As usual, it's decent for the usage. Here is a user guide which contains all phone details and the warranty details in it. And here it comes with the extreme performer Redmi K50i 5G with steel black color, and it's available in 3 color variants: black, blue and silver, and 6 128GB 8 to 56GB storage variants. So let's remove the cover and check how it looks. And next we have the Type-C USB cable, the 67 watts turbocharger, which Redmi claims can charge 50% in 15 minutes and 100% in 46 minutes, which we will test this over in-depth review video. Please go and check the links in the description. And here is the quality and length of the USB cable. That's how it looks. So this is all what we have in the box. Let's move to the phone look and buttons. We have 6.6-inch display with 16 megapixel selfie. On back we have 64 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra and 2 megapixel macro. On right we have volume and power buttons with side mounted fingerprint. On left we have no buttons. On bottom we have the stereo speaker, Type-C port, mic, SIM card slot. On top we can see the 3.5mm jack, the stereo speaker, mic and the IR blaster. And this is how it looks when we add the case to the phone. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching.